feel as if you're on sticky ground. That's not acceptable, right?
Karai jong kaseng Congress but VPP ban Iashim Bynta ha kajingelang jong baro kiseng san perthai Halor kilentirel kalawan ra ya kajing Sngewkhia ya ke UDP but BJP u MLA ke UDP u ba pol lingdo u laong ba ka committee kanlong karinsan kababyang ban ya phliu jingmut ban ya tai bat ban ya sngap Ulaong ba kajing persyang ban lumlang ya baro ha kawi kamiet kan pulam lada ki kentat ban Iashim Bynta bat ngin yaine ha kajing ya kulmar Kumju u MLA ka BJP u ba AL hek ulaong ba karai jong ka Congress bat BPP ban kentat Iashim Bynta ha ka committee ka dei karai bat ka hok ka jongki.
So I do not know what actually prompted such a reaction because this is a highly sensitive matter that has been raised from time to time, and we thought that an all-party committee would be the best platform because you get to hear all views, counter views, neutral views. But if this is the kind of reaction, then I do not know. It just means that this effort will fail, and we will continue to be in a state of limbo.
Opinion yang itu di parti kan nombor amat Kongi Halor juga opinion juga Kongres dan juga PPP dan mangi pun dia nak apa alliance partner dapat yang itu kami banyak yang kedua banyak berkat Halor ini ke isu